So there were a lot of people who were asking things about the forms, but simply static. And the most common question was for the forms. And I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can use your own forms, make your own forms, and then point it to your email address. Now there is also an integration with Elementor forms, and there are also building it for Fluent forms and for a couple of other forms. But that is not what we are going to do in this tutorial. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can build your own form and point it to your websites. Very easy to do. So this is the website, and it only has an index HTML, and the only thing that I did is making a form with some style, and I've added a webhook, and once you have done that, then you can use the webhook to redirect it to the email box. And in this case, I've done it with Public Connect, but you can also do it with ongoing animator, and I'm going to show you that later in this tutorial. So I made a webhook in Public Connect. This is the webhook, and then I pointed to an email, but you can only use the Gmail. So you have to map the things. It speaks for itself, and if you don't know how it works, then you can read the documentation from Public. Super easy. And the other thing is that you have to embed the webhook in here. Now to prove you that it works, we are going to an incognito, and this is the particular website. Is incredible fast. It's just crazy, and we use that is with static websites. And then you can see that the form has been submitted, and the fields are empty. And we are going to the email box, the alias email box, and we go to the emails, and we wait a little while because my web server is not so fast. And you can see that we have it in the email box. So super simple. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do it with ongoing animator. The other thing is that you have to have a WordPress online running. So this is the only thing that you have to keep in mind. You can do this. You can do it without WordPress websites, but with ongoing animator, it needs database. So there has to be a website anywhere to do this. So we're going to use this website, and then you can see that I've made a webhook, and then I'm going to copy it. Uh, Copy, and I'm going to paste it just like I did it in the with connects, with the Public connects. I'm going to search for the webhook. So where are you? Do I have to use Command F? Well, no, it's not necessary because here it is. So just paste it in here. And save everything. And we're going to refresh it. Let's just clean all the cache with this little tool. Loop. So another fake email address. So are all fake email address. So oh, okay, and we send it. And it's going to spin, and it says okay, and then we have it to wait a little bit because of the delay. And we see here that it has been sending out our form. So it's super easy, and you have an incredible see that it's incredible fast. So this is the benefits that you have for the static websites. And if you know how the plugin works, this just is just crazy fast. I know it's only got on form, but I've built whole websites with this tool, and they are just as fast as it says here. But there are also some tricks what you can use to perform better with the static websites. But I will recommend you to go to Appsumo if it's still there. No, I think that when you're watching this tutorial, it's gone. But it's called Simple Static, so it makes from a WordPress website and static websites. And later on, I will show you more of static websites and simple statics and why you should use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.